the 4 cycle stages in the crypto market which impact XRP. Now, every single bear market, there is what is known as an accumulation zone. Now, this particular zone can last 12 to 24 months for the much earlier bear markets, and this is when smart money is buying, okay? And unfortunately, this is also when retail interest is at the absolute lowest. Now, what we have just entered into, actually just starting a couple of days ago, is the new accumulation zone for this bear market. And generally, this accumulation zone is marked when you move below the 200-week SMA. In other words, once you hit below a certain price threshold after we've hit our bull market peaks, this is basically the perfect time to buy according to every single previous bear market and bull market that we have had inside of crypto in its entire history. Now, eventually, what happens after you've been in the accumulation zone for an extended period of time is you will get this markup period, and this is of course where you start seeing explosive growth. Now, this actually happened in 2024 during the end of the year. This is what was known as the election super cycle. Trump was getting elected. We saw XRP literally have days where it went up more than 30%. That was the markup period. And of course, shortly after Trump was elected, we started to hit new highs for XRP, and we formed what's known as a double top, which then eventually marked the end of the XRP and altcoin bull market somewhere around July. And since July, it has been a downwards trend, and that is what's known as, of course, the distribution period. And of course, then followed by the markdown period, which is what we just got through. Now, this cycle, it continues every single time. This is a cycle. This is how the whales are making a lot of money. They're looking at the data, they're looking at the historical patterns, and they are buying these cryptos when they're on for a massive deal, and they are selling them when they are in these key overbought territories, which signals that the market is actually topping pretty heavily.